What's going on YouTube? So today we're here to look at an AceFast charger. This is a 65 watt charger. So let's take a look. So what we have today, guys, is an AceFast charger. This is a 65 watt charger. It does have 3 different charging ports on there. So I wanted to do an unboxing and kind of test this out and show you why you may want to have a charger like this. Now, not all chargers are the same, so I figure I would kind of show everyone the differences and let's check this out. So the first thing we have on here is we have multiple protocols that are fully compatible. This has a 2-year 24-month hassle-free warranty. And this also supports fast charging via the leading technology. Now there's quite a bit that goes into that portion of it, and that's the portion I was most interested in. But as we can see, it has a lot of different features on here. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and we'll see what it's all about. What a lot of people, don't really understand is every charger is different. Every charger has different protocols it uses to charge a device. So depending on what, type of protocol it has, depends on the power delivery, amps and watts and everything that'll, supply to your device. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of this. We're going to take a look at it, and then I'm going to show some protocols from Samsung, LG, Apple, and AceFast, and we're going to see which chargers y'all should probably be using, and hopefully, you guys will like this charger. Man, I tell you what, I really like the way this looks and feels. For a charger that delivers so much power, it is really small and compact. This, you could use this to take to work, throw in your bag. It is a travel. It does fold up. And a really nice bonus here, you get a 100-watt USB-C charging cable. It's USB-C on both ends. It's braided. It's nice and long. This is a high-quality cable here, guys. So I'll use this on my laptop right here. This is really good. Now let's see what we have for... You guys know me, I'm going to just take a peek at this manual real quick and kind of show everyone what's inside. Now, on this here, it shows you it has 3 different charging ports. We have 2 USB-C Type C, and then we have a USB-A. Now that first one's 65 watt. Let me get my little stick here. My Z Fold 3 pen. So the first one's 65 watts. C1, C2 is 20 watts, and A1 is 18 watts. And then it'll go through it, and you can go through and look at it, how the power delivery works. You can figure out your different wattages and amps for whichever ones you want to do. So you can combine C1 and C2, 45 and 20. Or you can do C1 and CA, or you can do C2 and C1, or you can actually do all 3 of them if you want. Now I have used this on each of these ports. I've fully tested at the fully max power delivery, and it is pretty amazing. Now I'm going to show you guys some things on here, but I want to show you the size compared to like just a standard charger here. Let me grab one. Now right here is just your typical Samsung fast charger, and you can see the size of it. It's not really that much bigger. Here's an Apple charger. So you can see that it looks really good. It's not huge. You get some of these chargers and they are really quite large. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys some different protocols from some different chargers real quick. Now this is a LG test. And what I'm going to show you guys is what these chargers can and can't do. Now I'm going to run through all the current protocols that are out there, and we're going to see that this LG can just basically charge an Android device without any of the Qualcomm protocols or any of the fast charging protocols. So this is just your very, very vanilla charger right here. I would not really recommend using this anymore. You know, you don't want to plug your $1,000 phone into that, really. Here's your Apple phone. Now, surprisingly, a lot of people plug these different cables into these different bricks, and they don't really understand that. You know, just because it can charge doesn't mean it's, you know, going to charge your phone good. It could cause overheating. It could cause too much amperage. So let's see what we have here. And it looks like Apple is, let's see. Looks like Apple is just going to have their own. Let's zoom in a little bit here. So it's Apple at 2.4 amp. And that's about it. No other protocols available on that one either. So now I'm going to try Samsung. I'm going to try Type A. This is their travel charger. And let's see what kind of protocols we have on this Samsung travel charger here. So this is one of the most important things you guys really need to know about this, especially with these newer devices. So it has the AFC capability at 9 volts at 2 amp and 1.5 amp. Alright. Now I'm going to have to break out this cable here. We're going to try Samsung's USB-C charger. This is their fast charger. This isn't the super fast. But I just kind of want you guys to see some of these differences that these devices have. So I see people plugging all their different phones into different devices, and they wonder why their batteries are going out and won't hold a charge anymore. This is one of the main reasons why. Alright, so this one here. Now this one does have the Qualcomm 4 right there, which is really good. It has power delivery 3.0, and it has PPS at 30 watts. That's programmable power right there, and then power delivery 3.0. The PPS is the newest, highest standard. Now the AceFast charger. So now we're going to check the first port and see what we got. Look at, boom, right off the bat, it's picking up everything. It's unbelievable. Alright, so the first port, it's got a lot on there. Alright, so this has all the Apple, all the Samsung, all 4 of the Qualcomms on here. Also it has the Huawei, has the power delivery 3.0, and the PPS 65 watt. Now those are some really good good stats there. Now let's go ahead and check, that's the first port there. Now let's go ahead and check the second port. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got Qualcomm's 1, 2, and 3. Picked up Samsung's AFC, Huawei's, and let's see. Oh yeah, okay, we got power delivery at 20 watts, but no PPS on the second port. So that's pretty good to know. Now no one really should be using the PPS on the second port anyways. If you have a device that can do that, you'll know it. Now there's one more little test I want to do for y'all. And while this test is going, I'm going to be showing you guys in the top corner here. I'm charging my phone. I'm going to just kind of fast forward through that whole process and let you all see how that's going. So this is port A1. This is a type A, just a regular square. And we're going to check and see what that one will do. So we're looking at Qualcomm 1, 2, and 3, 12 volts. Samsung AFC, Huawei. And let's see what power delivery we have. Okay, no power delivery 3.0 or PPS, so that's expected on that type of a USB-A connection there. It's not your greatest connection. So one more thing I want to test on here before we go. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to my notebook here, my Chromebook, and let's see what kind of power we can get directly out of this into my Chromebook. Now this usually uses the big power brick, so I've kind of drained down the battery. Right off the bat we're at 14 volts, almost 15 at 28 watts. Let's draw some juice on this thing and let's see what we got. Yeah, that's really good. Look at that, guys. Running at 3 amps, 14.7 volts at almost 45 watts, holding at 84 degrees. That is really good. Now as I've charged my phone never overheated, never fluctuated. It's pretty solid. Let me check the meter here. Oh yeah, look, it's nice and constant. We're not having any issues, so you know, this is going to be a great charger. You know, we keep ours in our kitchen. I use it to charge my power brick. You know, my wife, she's using it to charge her phone, and you know, we just, you know, plug in the iPad here. You know, plug in, you know, your phone. This one brick right here will plug in several devices, which is pretty handy. Now, you know, just using it at home, you'll know it's going to be safe. You'll know it'll deliver the right power for the right device. You don't have to really worry about, you know, whether it's going to be charging correct, if it's going to be burning up your battery, your life cycle on your battery. Now, when I charged my phone, it maintained a nice constant level. It wasn't overheating my phone. Kept it at a good pace, good temperature. Now sometimes you get some of these devices, some of these charging bricks, and it'll charge it too little, too much. And if you don't use the right protocol, when the device is done charging, when the battery's at 100%, it may not shut down. You may be overcharging your battery, and that's what's going to kill it. So, you know, I thought I'd, you know, tell you all about all this and show you this. I do recommend this charger. It is super nice. Look, I plugged my watch up to it. You know, my watch is fully charged right now, but it is definitely a good charger. You know, we're gonna pick up another one. You know, have one in here and one in the other room, and that'll be that. You know, I might grab one and use it at work. But this has been a super nice charger to have. I've been using it, and I think y'all might want to take a look at it. You know, if you want something that's going to take care of your expensive devices, this may be the charger for you. Well, until next time, we'll see you later.